Have you ever wondered why some anglers catch fish all day while others go home empty-handed? Is it luck, expensive gear, or something else? The truth is, successful fishing is mostly about understanding fish behavior. In this video, you'll learn 10 simple but effective tips that can help you catch more fish, whether you're a beginner or an experienced angler. Let's dive in. First, fish at the right time of day. Fish are usually most active during the early morning and late evening. During these cooler hours, they leave deeper water to search for food. Midday, especially in hot weather, many fish move deeper or become less active. Timing alone can dramatically improve your chances. Next, pay attention to the weather. Cloudy days are often excellent for fishing because fish feel safer swimming in shallow water. Light rain can also increase feeding activity. However, after a heavy storm, muddy water and sudden pressure changes can make fishing more difficult. Weather matters more than many people realize. Now let's talk about location. Fish don't randomly swim everywhere. They prefer places that provide shelter and food. Look for fallen trees, rocks, underwater plants, bridges, docks, or areas where rivers meet lakes. These structures attract insects and smaller fish, which means bigger fish often follow. Learning where fish hide is just as important as choosing the right bait. Speaking of bait, always match what fish naturally eat. Live worms, minnows, insects, and shrimp are incredibly effective because they look and smell natural. Artificial lures can also work very well if they imitate local prey. Different fish species prefer different foods, so researching the fish in your area gives you a huge advantage. Another important tip is to stay quiet. Fish are surprisingly sensitive to vibrations and sudden movements. Loud footsteps, slamming tackle boxes, or shouting near the water can scare fish away. Move slowly, stay calm, and keep noise to a minimum. Patience is another key to success. Many beginners cast every few seconds or constantly change spots. Experienced anglers often wait patiently and carefully watch for signs of activity. Sometimes the biggest fish take the longest to bite. Don't forget to use the right equipment. A rod that's too heavy or too light can make fishing harder than it needs to be. Match your rod, reel, fishing line, and hook size to the species you're targeting. Balanced gear improves both casting accuracy and landing success. Learning how fish behave during different seasons also makes a huge difference. In spring, many fish move into shallow water to spawn. During summer, they often stay deeper during the hottest part of the day. In autumn, fish feed aggressively to prepare for winter. And during winter, fish become slower and usually stay in deeper water. Adjusting your strategy with the seasons gives you a much better chance of success. One mistake many anglers make is ignoring the water itself. Watch for ripples, jumping fish, birds diving into the water, or insects gathering on the surface. These signs often reveal where fish are actively feeding. Nature provides clues if you know where to look. Finally, always respect nature. Follow local fishing regulations, avoid leaving trash behind, and only keep fish you plan to use. Healthy lakes and rivers mean great fishing opportunities for future generations. Fishing isn't only about catching fish. It's about enjoying nature, improving your skills, and learning something new every time you cast your line. The more you understand fish behavior, the more successful you'll become. So next time you head to the water, remember these simple tips, and you might be surprised by how many fish you catch. Thanks for watching, and happy fishing. Fishing.